Today is our first morning. We are going to Tanzania National Park. They told me it's called the Elephant Paradise.
Me and my mom, we are here.
It will be a dream to have a close encounter with an elephant. Let's hope it becomes true. I always wanted to get a camera, now I have one, and what I want to do when I'm out is to capture the moment. I'm trying really to connect, to take beautiful pictures, but at the same time to connect with the moment.
Beautiful. The elephant right in front of us with the babies, and they are really calm.
They were everywhere around us. They're behind us, the other on the side. It was really beautiful, and they were really close. Norbert Safaris has been really perfect. The communication was super. We choose every day what we will see, what we will do, and you guys have been really perfect.